How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech Spotlight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Z-6 TIR Super Takedown and our MultiColor Z12 Linear and how both of these models can be used as a warning light and a work light in one. So I'll go ahead and start with our Z-6 TIR Super Takedown here, and I brought an amber unit, but we offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid and half-half color combinations, and these LEDs will flash only in the color ordered. So for example, here is an amber unit, and then we also offer, again, amber, red, blue, green, and clear. So if you had a blue amber, for example, here, your unit would be half amber and half blue, and the LEDs would stay the same color. Now moving over to our MultiColor Z12, I brought an amber clear unit. So you'll notice the unit is flashing back and forth between amber and clear. So you'll see there that you have the ability to run your primary color or your secondary color as well with the built-in flash patterns. Now on both of these units, you can use your green cable, which is your steady burn override cable, and you can hook that up to another switch, and that's perfect if you need a work light. So for example here, I hooked it up to the C switch on our 3-switch box, and you'll see that your units will go to steady burn clear, and that will override the warning function of your unit. And then if you turn that function off, you'll notice your units will go back to their warning mode. So you'll see that you have plenty of functionality, and these are perfect if you need a warning light and work light in one, and you see the difference between our single color TIR and our multicolor linear, so you can choose the best unit for you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.